Maganda umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi sa zodiac sign na Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with the fire elements. Lola Baby, nagpapakilala po. Isa lang po, subscribe, likes, and share. So, ito pong reading na ito, general reading is for the first week of April. Okay? The month of Taurus. Yan ha. Let's see the energy surrounding para sa mga fire elements, the Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Three of Swords. Okay? So, it has something to do about tinatawag na it is you and them. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung tinatawag na sa palagay niya, they should slow down. They have to slow down. Okay? Yan. Kung ano man ito. Okay? Ito yung tinatawag na tatlong swords, pero hindi kayo nag-iisa dito. Someone is tinatawag na maybe suggesting na I think we should slow down. Okay? So the other one say, I feel the same way. Diba? Kailangan mag-slow down sila. Okay? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Four of Cups. Yan ha. The Four of Cups has something to do about their feelings, okay? About their intuitions, di ba? So, ito yung tinatawag na either someone here, dito ha, someone here, okay, a person needs to take off their mask, okay? Kailangan, maybe they are wearing a mask for a long time, okay? And it has something to do about their sexuality, okay? Maybe it's about time, okay? Yung tinatawag na, it's like lumabas ka na dyan sa iyong closet, di ba? Yeah. Yeah, maybe it has something to do about they are not comfortable. Hindi sila comfortable sa kanilang sexuality. Okay? Maybe sabihin na natin sila is kilala as halimbawa sabihin natin babaeng babae. But inside, they are not. Okay? They are not what they are tinatawag na pinoproject sa panlabas, di ba? Maybe sabihin na natin they are lesbian or they are a gay, di ba? So, let's see. So, narito ang tinatawag na the Queen of Cups but in a reversed position, okay? So, nakikita ko dito yung tinatawag na, there is a word, nakita ko lang ha, yung tinatawag kissing ass. Yan ha, sandali sa audio ko. Yan, ibig sabihin ng kissing ass, ito'y mahilig sumipsip, okay? Na, sip-sip ang taong ito ha. Okay, let's see. Okay, narito ang tinatawag na the Ten of Swords. Okay? So, the Ten of Swords has something to do about, itong taong ito ha, yan. Kung i-reverse, kasi hindi natin alam kung ito reverse or upright, pero narito ito, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito yung tinatawag, mahusay sumipsip ang taong ito. Yan ha, yan. So, ito rin yung tinatawag na, it's like a broken ass, di ba? Walang kwarta. Wala na. It's like tinatawag, butas na yung bulsa or masyado na siyang sagad. Diba? Yan. Maaring tinatawag na, kumbaga sa makina, diba? Gasgas na. Okay? Yan. Kailangan na sigurong paltan ang kanyang tinatawag na makina. Okay? Masyado ng gasgas. Yun ang nakikita ko. Ha? So, naririto ang the Eight of Swords. Yan ha. Okay. So, ibig sabihin ng the Eight of Swords na ito, yung tinatawag, whatever is this, okay? It's like, there is a gossip. Yan ha. there is a gossip nakakarating sa inyo and it hurts. It hurts. Kapag ka nakakarinig ka ng mga gossips. Okay? Yan. And tinatawag na maaring you want. Kumbaga dito kasi ito. Yan. Ito ay the Ten of Wands. Di ba? Kailangan ito is malaman saan ang galing ang source na ito ng tinatawag chismis. Yun lang nakikita ko, ha? Okay? Siguro ito yung tinatawag na mag-a-unmask. Whatever is this, di ba? Ito. I-a-unmask. Kung ano man ito, di ba? The gossips. Malalaman mo kung saan ito manggagaling. Okay? Someone here is tinatawag na they are in the mode of reflection, reflecting, self-reflecting. Okay? Dito. Nagsa-self-reflecting ito. Okay? Yan. So, maybe it has something to do about sexuality, their sexuality. Di ba? Or cycles. Kasi meron dito, it's like tinatawag na, it's like hindi na natuto. Balik-balik lang, di ba? The old system, the old pagkakamali, di ba? Hindi na natuto. It's a cycles, paulit-ulit, pabalik-balik, di ba? So, ito yung tinatawag na the magician. You're the magician. So, ibig sabihin ito yung tinatawag na it's like a tactics, okay? Technique. Strategy. It's about strategy. Diba? You will use strategy. It's like, sabi na natin if you have a business, diba? Kasi naririto ang tinatawag na failure. It's like pabalik-balik. Diba? It's like sabihin na natin, today, okay, I have only 20 breads, okay? Bago mag-alas 10 na umaga, tinatawag na kailangang maubos na ito. It's like first come, first serve. Yan. It's like kung halimbawa bumili ka ng 3, you will have a free of 1 or 2. Diba? It's like tinatawag na scarcity tactics. Diba? It's like sinasabi natin, meron ako ditong 10 singsing, 'di ba? Yan. So, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag na kung sino ang makabili ng mas marami, 'di ba? Minsan lang ito mangyari, 'di ba? 10 lang ito, hindi na. Hindi, it's like tinatawag, hindi mo ito makikita kung saan, sa akin mo lang makikita, 'di ba? So, kung bibilhin mo ito, ibig sabihin nito it's like makakamura, 'di ba? Something like that. Pero kung halimbawa the next day may 10 ka ulit, kumbaga dito yung tinatawag, masisira ang iyong tinatawag na yourself, 'di ba? Masisira kasi kung ngayon sinabi mong may 10 akong singsing, 'di ba? Kahuli-hulihan na ito, wala itong kapares, 'di ba? So that's it. It's like, yun ang nakita ko lang, scarcity tactics, di ba? Yan. Minsan mo lang itong gagamitin. Para dito yung tinatawag, it's about your, maybe it has something to do about your reputation. Kung gaano ang hirap nito. Mabilis kasi dumaan okay? So, let's see the energy from the universe. I will use dice. So, narito ang the moon. So, the moon is about your sexuality. Okay? So, narito number 1. So, you and yourself, diba? Maybe ito yung tinatawag a time for meditation, self-reflection, diba? So, naririto ang tinatawag na the Gemini. Okay? Yan. So, the Gemini means is more about talking, 'di ba? Yan. So that's I see for you.